This is the most complete resource online for learning about Android Retrofit 2 complete course in Kotlin. This course will take you step by step through each concept related to retrofit, discuss it in detail, then apply it in a practical project. We will cover topics such as 1. Basic retrofit implementation, 2. Logging, 3. URL resolution, 4. GET, post, and other request methods, 5. Queries, 6. URL manipulation, 7. Request body, 8. Sending form data, 9. Headers, 10. Canceling requests, 11. Caching, 12. Pagination, 13. Synchronous versus asynchronous communications, 14. Retrofit with RX Java, 15. Authentication. Who this Android Retrofit 2 in Kotlin course is for: 1. Beginner Android developers, 2. Intermediate Android developers,